Good afternoon mga subscribers! Siyempre kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, please the subscription below and click the notification bells para updated ka sa mga bagong kong video. So yun na nga, magsisimula na tayo. Ang topic natin for today's videos is 17 videos ideas. So kung alam nyo yung iba dito, mag-comment kayo. So yun na nga, magsisimula na tayo. Number 1, my morning routine. Number 2, what's on my room. Number 3, 10 facts about me. Number 4, never have I ever. Number 5, Q&A or question and answer portion. Prank call, kung gusto nyo kung kanino nyo gusto mag-prank ng calls, yun. Then room makeover, kung gusto nyo makeover or mag-design pwede, yun. How I edit my thumbnail. Number 9, how I edit my videos. Number 10, get ready with me. Number 11, travel with me. Number 12, what's on my phone. Number 13, my night routine. Number 14, self-care vlog. Number 15, outfit ideas or OOTD. Number 16, what's on my bag. Number 17 is what I eat in a day. So yun lang guys, yun yung 17 videos ideas na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Kung alam nyo yun, pwede kayong mag-comment and like my videos. So yun lang guys, magpapaalam na ako sa inyo. Maraming salamat. Bye bye.